Hi dear Auto Parts family, welcome back to PKT Autoparts channel. This is Cici from. In this video, you can learn how to cooperate and trade with PKT. The video is divided into two parts. First, I'll introduce you where to find us. We have built a new auto parts website through which buyers can get to know high-quality auto parts enterprises in China and communicate directly with them online to facilitate the trade. Compared with the traditional tertiary market model, buyers are able to find accessories through the web and directly contact factories for transactions, which can save at least 70% to 80% of the cost. So far, the registered users of the web at home and abroad have exceeded 500,000, which accounts for 60% overseas. And more than 30,000 auto parts companies in China have settled in. Besides, you can find us on multiple social media platforms at home and abroad, such as Facebook, Instagram, Tik Tok, WeChat public account, etc. The layout of PKT is not only online, you can also find us at any time offline. We have professional local promotion teams in Dubai, Turkey, Egypt, and many other countries. They'll visit the auto parts industrial belts and have close communication with all local users. Wenzhou is the capital of automobile and motorcycle parts of China, as well as the headquarters of PKT. We hold an auto parts expo here annually, and more than 10,000 companies will come to participate in the exhibition. We also take an active participation in famous auto parts fairs all over the world. In addition, we've established an offline exhibition hall for automobile and motorcycle parts, where displays hundreds of auto parts products. The enterprises and factories can save energy and time through the large databases to communicate more efficiently and accelerate the realization of business goals. Through the dual-mode linkage of domestic and foreign, as well as online and offline, PKT strives to provide accurate resources for auto partsmen and promote trade cooperation. We are committed to promoting Chinese auto parts to the world. In the next video, I'll take you to deeply understand the business models and services of PKT. See you soon!